Okay, Mike, we've had 2 tires sitting in acetone. Acetone from Menards overnight. And I put them in yesterday morning about 10 o'clock, and I checked them last night at about 5 o'clock, and they were about 90% done. But here is one tire right out of acetone, and there is no glue at all on the rim, and the rim actually looks like it's brand new. Yeah, there is no glue at all left. The foam is reusable. I'll squeeze it out, I'll wring it out. It's got quite a bit of alcohol in it now, or acetone. But yeah, there you go. Tire comes right off, no stress at all, no rubbing, no grinding, nothing. It's perfect. Tires, garbage. And here's another one. Straight out of the acetone. I haven't done anything to this. And here is the rim coming right off. Nothing, no glue at all. And that is what I use, is that Proline glue, which works great. And yeah, and then just acetone, and it comes right off overnight. A little over 24 hours, or right at 24 hours. So there you go. I know you don't believe me, but that's how it works. Good luck.